Imphal Mayolda Laiba Nupi Kaktagi Oiba Ganapriya GP Women College ki get the Sakangdaba Singh hand grenade Amathamzilamle. Impact News na Fangwa Pauda. Down with fascist education system. Honor the rights of proletarian students. Free education movement. Glory to the proletarian students. Haine Iba Chena Singda. Grenade aduna nansilaga college gate mamangda thamlamkhibane grenade adu ayuk anganbada achat awok singna thengnarakpadagi police to pau piraba matung Manipur police ki bomb detection amade disposal squad team laktun yengsin ki grenade adu ge lever adu discharge tawramdabana khudong thiningai oibetagi bomb squad team aduna ayuk pung taruka makhai khare helakpa Matamda asoy angam yaudana diffuse tawki grenade adu diffuse tawraba matung ayuk pung taret makhai taramdaida Imphal West ki Lamphel Game Village tariba lambi mataida akan check sin thoranga loinana pokhai hanke hojik fawbugi oina grenade adu kanana karigidamak thamlambano haiba khangmangamdre nakalamaromda Thaudok asiga mari lainana Imphal Police Station case sama laukhatpaga loinana thejinbagi thabak chathaba hokre Nakalamaromda GP Women's College da Sakhang Daba Singna bom thamjilambagi mayok da college asigi mahiroi singna wakat mifam duna protest tawkre security na chayom yom liba first MR amasung Rajbhavan gi marak lairiba college amada bom thamjinbada chenaba sing lengak na faduna matik chaba cherak pinaba college asigi mahiroi singna taksilakri protest aduga mari lainana mahiroi amana fongdorakpada lamdam asigi school college singbo Free education zone o hengada bani haina laudun lakli adubu college da bom thamjilam liba asina free education zone oire haigadauri bra haina mari leinaba singda wahang hanglakli loinana asiguma thawong matungda tawbigano mahairoi singbo aki akhang amadi ayet apan yaudana mahaitamba fanghanbiu hairakli
We are so disappointed in the governments of Manipur, which was happening early mornings outside the gate of a college. We want the governments to take an action. In my left side, there is a governor house, and in my right side, there is a fifth M. Why, as a woman, as a girl, as a student, why can't we protect us? Why there is bomb outside our college? And about the treatments, why need to be our college? If you want to complain about the school system, about the college system, go to the authority and talk face to face instead of threatening us.